Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced Features. Following that, scroll all the way down again and click on Dual Messenger. Then tap on the sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone and hit Install in the pop-up. Then confirm in Disclaimer 1. In order to use a separate contact list, tap on this gray sweater. If you don't want to do it, select Next at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then wait. So now, when I go back and check my Facebook app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same settings, but this time click on blue sweater next to your app and hit uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!